Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have December's Madam Rose box. Ooh, do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received December's Madam Rose box. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Madam Rose, for sending me your amazing box. I also need to disclaimer, this is for 18 and older. Sorry, this is only for adults only. There's no telling what may be in this box, but everything is very tasteful. It's just not intended for anybody under the age of 18. So there's the disclaimer. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is going to be in here. They also wanted to let me know that they had an unforeseen system error, and it caused a lot of their accounts to lose credit card information. So accounts could not be auto renewed. So if you are one of those that were affected by that, or if you want to be a new customer right now, they're offering a new offer for this month. If you re-sign up or you do sign up, you can get your very first box for only $25 plus a free gift. So that's even a deeper discount than they normally offer. Because of their system error, they wanted to apologize, and for the inconvenience, they have a deeper discount. So Crafty 25, you were one of their subscribers and you didn't get an auto renew, that's because there was an unforeseen issue. So if you want to sign up again, use my code and you get the box even cheaper. So, ooh, all right, so that's what it looks like when you first open up the box. And I say ooh because I see this right here looks super cute. And it says, unbox your sexy, MR for Madam Rose. So they made us an ornament for this year too. How cute. And it has like the pink and red like glitter inside. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like there might be a little bit of red or like a bright pink with a light pink and silver. Very, very cute with like a little pink bow. That is adorable. This is the December box. And this is the card that they put in, and it's called Santa Baby is the theme for this month. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see what's going to be inside. So, I see some more homemade stickers. Hold on. Okay, so everything is down in here, but I'm gonna get these little guys right here. Let's see. Here's Mr. Grinch with his lump of coal. And this one says Santa's helper. I don't know what to say for that one. But there's Santa's helper and there is Mr. Grinch. Last month I was totally thrown off. So there's that. All right, you guys, so now everything's going to be down inside of this, and it has their sticker. It says, thank you for supporting my small business. Oh, I was thinking we're gonna get red petals this time for December, but we still got the pink. They always give you a lot of these petals in here. So the first thing that I'm gonna pull out right on top, it looks like a face mask, and it says naughty are nice. Oh, maybe that's supposed to be an or nice, but it's a snowflake for the O. Naughty or nice. This right here says faux leather mask, perfect for a surprise gift. Will you be naughty or nice? And this is valued for $12. So the inside of it is this type of material. And if you'll put it on your face, let's see. It pretty much, yeah, I can see a very tiny, tiny bit. Which nostril is it? I can't even tell. This nostril. But technically it's blocking out everything, like blacked out. So naughty or nice? Depends. You'll find out if you wake me up. Okay, so again, that's valued for $12. So now we have it looks like a scarf. It looks like a scarf and it has an MR. So maybe for Madam Rose? I'm confused. Hold on. This is, yeah, Christmas scarf. Plushy, soft, used as an accessory or a rope, a Madam Rose product. So you can use it as a scarf or you can use it as a rope or whatever you see fit. But there's the M and the R. That is super cute. This just kind of confuses me. I know it's their logo with the MR, but if you have it a certain way, it looks like it might like read Mr. You know what I mean? That's my only thing with this right here. But if it didn't have that, I mean, you could take them off if you wanted to, but that is actually a really cute scarf. Even like if you were to wear like for a company Christmas party, which we should not be doing much parties right now, but if you wanted to wear for a holiday thing, it would be really cute if you had on a nice little sweater and you had this over it. I think that would be super cute. So you don't have to just leave this in the bedroom is my thing. Now we have are these cookies? Santa's cookies, and they're bars of soap. How cute. It says bar of hand soap shaped as chocolate chip cookies, made with coconut soap based and essential oils, not meant for consumption. Even though they look so good you can eat them, don't eat them. I'm not really smelling anything, but let me see if I can put a little hole in there. Not really, but that's super cute because they look just like chocolate chip cookies. So it definitely goes with the theme. This is a Madam Rose product and it's valued for $9.98 for the 2 bars of soap. I'm not sure. Let me see. Okay, so I know there's going to be times where something's going to come in this box where it's either not my thing or something I've never heard of or whatever. And so that's going to be these right here. So I'm like, what are these? Are these like to hold up like your stockings on your legs, or you clipping your, you know, your nightie to your legs? What are we doing with these? It says, if you guys know what these are, then good for you, because I don't know. It says Jingle Nips. Jingle Nips. Adjustable nipple clamps adorned with colored bells. I almost said balls. I guess when I'm thinking nipples, balls come in my head. But these are $7.99, and it looks like you can literally adjust it if you got some, I don't know. And then there's a little jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. I don't know. I don't think I'll be putting these on my nips. I don't want clamps, but you can use them there, or you can find another use for them, I guess. But they're $7.99 for the jingle bell nip clips, nippy clips. Okay, so now the lingerie item. Let me remove the petals. Okay, yeah, see, I was thinking like, you know, clips like these is what it was going to be. No. Mrs. Claus red 4-piece lingerie set. Set. Meant to be worn year-round. Cloth handcuffs included, $36. It says it's a 4-piece set? 1, 2, 3. Is there gonna be another O? Where's my other O? Where's the 4? Oh, maybe because, no, that should be 1 if they're 1. Maybe they're considering 2 handcuffs. Let me see. Let me cut this off. It says Santa Baby, and that's the theme for this one. So here are handcuffs. So at least you can still use your hands and stuff, and you know you're not like restricted, but for fun, if you wanted to put on some, oh, I have them twisted. I still have it twisted. Whatever. You can put these on if you would like. So you have some handcuffs like that. And then here are the chones for this way. So these don't have the little underwear thing. So sometimes it's like, which way do you go, George? Which way do you go? So there are the chones for this set. There's your panties. And then the actual lingerie set, sorry, my little nippy clips, hold on, is right here. So there's the top. That is super cute here. That is super cute with this detail right here. And then the bottom, I guess you can attach these to some stockings. But that is really cute. So here is the whole thing. And it is stretchy, so if some of you guys are thinking, that ain't gonna fit your fat ass, oh yes it will, because it's size exclusive and it's to my size. So, there we go. That is super cute though. I really think that's cute. And since this doesn't have any like fluffy, white, like Santa looking, this can be used year round and it doesn't have to just be for Christmas. So I like that they took that into consideration, that not only are they sending you something that's geared for the holiday, but it's also something that you can use year around, not just for that 1 month or that one day or the one occasion. You can use this bad boy anytime you would like. And then, oh, there's a little backing right here, like a bra strap that goes on the back. So the back would just be all open like that for your booty rocking everywhere. But that is super cute. So that is everything that came in this December Madam Rose box, you guys. So here is a lingerie set that can be used year around. You have a really cute scarf that you can use as a scarf or as, like they said, tie your ass up with it or something. You use that however you see fit, but I think it's really cute. And then it will kind of dress up the lingerie, at least for this month, to get it a little bit more festive. You have some really cute cookie shaped bars of soap that you can use. You have a night mask or a just cover your eyes mask and put your handcuffs on kind of thing, whatever you want to do. And you have some hip clips. So that is, oh, don't forget, we have a ornament and these nice little handmade stickers. Now that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Definitely comment down below, let me know, what did you think of it? The total retail value for everything in my box will be right here. That'll be everything added up for this month. I absolutely love this box. I love that it's very tasteful. You are always going to get one lingerie item plus other items as well, and it sometimes can be toys. Sometimes it's just things to make you feel good, pamper yourself. It's just a number of different things and it all falls in the same theme. The colors are the same, that kind of thing. So if you want to know a little bit more about Madam Rose, they are normally $34.99 per box. You'll receive one lingerie set and up to 4 to 5 additional items. They are fully size exclusive, offering sizes from small to 5X. Each month is a different theme. You can visit their shop to actually purchase individual items by themselves. You can purchase lingerie sets by themselves. You can purchase toys, that kind of thing that is on their shop for one-time purchases. You do not need to be a subscriber for those. And then they have their monthly box, which is amazing. I will link everything down below. Again, this month, use Crafty25 to get your very first box. Or if you're resubscribing because of the system error, you will get this box for only $25 if they're still available. After that code is no longer working for this month, coming next month, you can always use my original code, which is just SheCrafty, and that'll get $5 off your very first box, making it $29.99, and you always get a free gift upon sign up for new subscribers. Using my code as well, you'll get that free gift as well. So the owners of Madam Rose are both plus size women who know the struggles of finding a true size apparel. They are all about encouraging people to feel empowered and confident, and all about body positivity and embracing your own sexy. They want to take on the phrase, unbox your sexy. So again, I will link everything down below. You guys can definitely go check them out. Again, let me know what you thought about this theme. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.